Hi, welcome to Creative Ninja. Today I am gonna show you how to create text animation on path, create new composition, create text layer, and write your text. Select your text layer. Select Ellipse tool. Create mask on text layer. Then go to text, then path options, then change none to mask 1. Set first margin value for animation. On reverse path 4. Text place on outside of the path. Follow my video steps for creating custom path animation. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Thanks.